Good morning, everyone. So last class we were seeing the number system, right? The number system we were seeing. Here 10 a.m. data types, and we were seeing integer, right? I hope you got the idea what it is, right? How we can convert this, how we can convert this 20, which is integer data, right? Decimal data, and we are converting this decimal into what? Binary, right? To convert this, we have to take an LCM with 2 because the base is what? 2. Base of binary is 2. Okay. So if we do this, we will get the value which is in zeros and ones. Okay. So if you see, after conversion of 20 decimal into binary, what we get? 10100. Okay. And also we can do vice versa, right? 10100, this is what? Binary value. Conversion of binary into decimal, what we have to do? 10100. Okay, each and every bit we have to multiply it with the power of something. Okay, 2 power of 0 multiply with first bit, 2 power of 1 multiply with second bit, 2 power of 2 multiply with third bit. Okay, 2 power of 3 multiply with fourth bit, and 2 power of 4 multiply with fifth bit. Now wherever we are getting 1, only we have to multiply those numbers, because if we multiply anything with 0, it will be 0 only, right? So let's go for 1 and 1 only. So if we go 1 and 1 means 2 power of 4 multiply with 1, 2 power of 2 multiply with 1, right? So we are getting what? 16 multiply with 1 as well as 4 multiply with 1. What we are getting? 20. So both are what? Similar. In the same thing, we are going to see conversion of, now tell me, let's go for this base conversion. Open with edit plus. Now, okay, I have given some one assignment. Did you have done? Hmm. What is the answer for this? Tell me. Yes, online as well. Online. 110010. Okay. Everyone is getting the same. Okay. 110010. Fine. And did you have cross checked it? Okay, fine. Why today this much less strength? Less strength it is. Prasanna, Monica, Manohar, Ram. Okay, Vandana. Fine. So today we are going to see. Today we are going to see something to convert. Yesterday we have seen binary. Okay, decimal, and this is second one, which is binary. Okay. Now we are going to see third one, which is known as octal. Octal. Okay, octal number system. Octal number system. So I'll go for simple. I will go for simple this, and I will paste it here. This number system, consists of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, this this number system consists of what? 0 to 7 value. 8 excluded. 8 excluded. Okay. Next is the base of binary number system is what? 8. Not binary, it is octal. Okay, it includes what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, base 8. Okay, can we go now? Can we solve? Now let's go for paint. Again, I'll take two partitions. Okay, I'll take two partitions. Here, first is the conversion. Tell me, conversion of octal number system into what? Decimal, right? Octal number system into what? Decimal. Now you see, octal number system into decimal. Decimal, I would go for, this is number system. Okay, this is what? Fine. Next is similarly, I'll copy this and I will paste it here. Visible, right? So I'll paste it here. Hmm. Decimal into what? Octal. So vice versa, we'll see both of this. Okay. Shall we go now? Go with something to take black. Okay. Yes, yes. So here, let's take an example. Let's take an example first. Any number, let's take 23. Okay. Let's take 23. Okay. 23 is what number? Decimal number. Okay. I want this decimal number. See what we are seeing now? Octal number system into decimal number system, right? What we are saying? Octal number. So this 23 is nothing but an octal number system, right? Octal number system. I'll tell you why it is octal number system. Okay, I'll tell you. Next is, I will convert this 23 into what? X. X is what? Decimal. Okay. So I will write for this, find what? X. Find X. Okay. We'll go for bigger one. Here, this base is what? 8. Base is 8 here. Okay. Next, here base is what? 10. Okay. This is 10. Are you getting it? Conversion of octal. Last what we have seen? Conversion of binary into decimal. Decimal into binary. Right? Here also we are going to see octal number system into decimal number system and decimal number system into octal number system. Right? Fine. So this is what some question it is. Okay. Next is what we have to do. Just give me a moment. Sorry. Okay, fine. Mm, Here also I'll take one more. Okay, that is enough now. I will go for I will go for 23. Okay, 23. What is the value? 23 it is, right? 23 is the value here. And hmm, so what should I write here? 8. What is the base of this? 8. 8 is the base of this, right? So 8 is the base of this. Next is 8 is the base. Okay. Fine. What? Tell me. Tell me. Okay, fine. So 8 2. Not here. 8 2. How many? 16. How much value we are getting? Tell me. 8 2 16. How many value? 16, 17, 18, 19, 7 it is. Okay. 7. So I'll write 2 2, and it is what? 7 we are getting, right? So I'll go for this. Okay. Getting my point? Next, tell me, anything more can we do? No. So if I go for this, let me go. Okay. Now, how many values now we have? Only two values we have, 2 and 7. 2 and 7. Okay. So if I write the value, what is the value of this? Now you see 23 is what value? Is what value? And in, just give me a moment. I'll change this as 20. Okay. 23 is my octal value. Okay. Is what? My octal value. And we are converting this octal value into what? Decimal. What is decimal now? 27. 27. Right? Getting my point? So I will write, I will write here, this is my octal number, and if we change it in decimal, it is 27 of decimal. 27 of decimal. Are you getting my point? Yes or no? Online. Are you getting my point? Okay, fine. So, yes. So this 23, is it visible? Should I find it is? Okay. 23 of 8 has become now what? What value it is? 27, right? This is what? 27. So if I say 23, find out the base of, sorry, find out the decimal number of 23 octal number. So what it is? 2 and 7. 2 and 7. But how you can find out the value of 2 and 7, which is a decimal number? How you can find out this to this? Means 27 to 23. Simple. What we have seen yesterday? What we have seen yesterday? Let me go for this. This is one, and this is the answer. Okay. Simple. Simple. Next is, what value we have and what we have to convert now? Tell me. This is 20. This is 27. 27 is what number? Decimal number, right? And we have to convert it into x. Okay. X. So I will write here, find x. Okay. Find x. Here I will give, this is what number system? 10. Okay. 10 it is. And in what number system we want? 8. So I'll make it large. Visible? Fine. Now what you have to do, how many numbers we have now? 2 and 7. 2 and 7. Okay. Simply you make it more larger and you keep it in middle. Fine. Now you tell me. Here only I'll tell you. Okay. 2 multiply with 8. Power of what? 8 power of, tell me. 8 power of 1 it is. 8 power of 1 it is. And 8 power of, so I'll write 8 multiply with what? 7, right? Plus, here I'll write plus, okay. 8 multiply with what? Multiply with 2. Are you getting my point? Yes or no? I'll tell you. Just wait. You'll get to know about this. What it is. So now you see what are the value we have 2 and 7. What is the base of this? What we are converting? Decimal into octal. So what we are using? 8. Base is what? 8. Why we are not using 10? 10 is default value. 10 is what? Default value. We can't convert. Okay, we can't use 10 as a base. Okay, that's why what we are using? 8. 8 is what? The base of octal. 8 multiply with this number. Then I'm also going to write here. Let's suppose here I will take bit of a smaller value. Okay, so here only I'll take. So here I will go for, this is what, this value is what, 8 power of 1 it is, right? Yes or no? 8 power of 1. Next is what? 8 power of 0. Okay, this is 8 power of 0. Now you go for it. 8 power of 0, 8 power of 0 multiply with 7. 8 power of 0, anything power of 0 is what? 0. 0 or 1? Hmm? 8 power of 0 is nothing but, no, it is 1. 8 power of 0 is nothing but 1. Okay, 1 multiply with 7. What it is? Okay, let me tell you. 8 power of 1 multiply with 2. 8 power of 1 is what? 8. What it is? 16. Okay, plus 7. How much? How much? 23. Are we getting the same number? Got it? So this is what? This is decimal number. 27 is what? A decimal number, right? And to convert this decimal number into octal, what we have to use? Whatever the number we have to take the power of the base, okay, and multiply with that number. So here 8 power of 0 multiply with 7, 8 power of 0, which is nothing but 1. Anything power of 0 is nothing but 1. Okay, so 8 power of 0, which is 1 multiply with 7, it is 7. Okay, plus 8 power of 1, 8 only. 8 multiply with 2, what it is? 16. What we have done for binary and decimal, similarly also we have done here. Similarly, what we have done here? Same thing we have done here, right? Basic changes. Only base is changes. Base there 2, here what? 8. Everything is same here, right? So this is what you can consider conversion of what? Decimal number system into what? Octal number system, right? Are you getting, everyone? Let me check. Online? Okay. OD, who is this OD? Can you please tell me your name? Who is this OD? OD. Could you please tell me your name in chat box? OD. Someone is OD here. So this is something, okay? This is something to convert this octal into decimal and decimal into octal. Now let's go one more. First, I'll save this. Okay, 10 am data types, integer data type. Here I will save as octal, octal decimal conversion. Okay, octal decimal Conversion. Okay, Tanuj. Okay, you are Tanuj. Okay, fine. Fine, Tanuj. Next is again same thing I am going to take. Same thing I am going to take. And now what value? Now what number system? What number system? Let me know. Hmm? What is the need of octal to binary? What is the need of octal to binary? Tell me. Decimal number system is there. Okay. 23 for basic thing. 23 is already the decimal number system, right? To convert decimal to binary, it is possible. Directly to convert octal into binary, that is not possible. Okay, because PVM will consider it as decimal number system only. Okay. One more thing I'll tell you. One more thing I'll tell you. Just give me a moment. Next is here I will write conversion of decimal into what? Hexadecimal. Hexadecimal number system. Okay, so you go for it. Similarly, copy it, paste it here. Tell me conversion of what? Hexadecimal into decimal. And I'll tell you how we can do. It is really simple. It is really simple to crack it. Now you see conversion of this. So I'll go for, let's suppose my value is hexadecimal. We are converting decimal into hexadecimal. And when it is coming as hexadecimal, when the number is bigger. Okay, when the number is bigger. So let's suppose I am taking 172. I am taking, okay, 172. Okay, 172, it is a bigger number, right? 172, it is a bigger number. And I will take this 172. Okay, I am converting this 172, which is a decimal number. I am converting into what? X. Okay, and here I am going to write and X. Okay, similarly, I will go for base. Base is what for this? Base is 10. I will 20. Base is 10. Next base is what? 16. I'm going to convert this value base 10, which is decimal, into what? Hexadecimal. Okay. So fine. How we can do this? Simple. Go to last approach what we were seeing. Go with this. Hmm. Tell me. Hmm. What value it is? 172, right? 172. This is 172. Next is what? Here what should I write? 16. Base is what? 16. Okay, so 16 I will write. 16. Tell me what should be the answer? 10. Okay, so 10 here I will write. Remaining what? 12. Remaining is 12. Okay, reminder 12 it is. Next, can we go more? No, we can't go, right? So I will do one thing. Fine. So now you see 172. 170 in hexadecimal. Let me tell you, in hexadecimal. Now focus here. Okay, now focus here. In hexadecimal values, 1, 2, Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Up to 9 value, it is what? As it is, 1 to 9 value, right? When it is coming to 10th value, 10 value will be considered as what? A. Either it could be small a, capital A, anything. 11th, what it is? B. Okay. 12, C. Okay, C. Next is 13, what it is? D. Okay. 14, what it is? E. And last one is 15. Okay, because base is what? 16. So till A to F we are going to take from 10 for 10 and 15. 10 to 15 we are going to take. Are you getting? Uh-huh. Okay, I forgot to write 0. 0. Is it fine? Okay. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Up to 9 it is as it is. But for 10 in hexadecimal values, what we are taking? These values. A as 10, 11 as B, 12 as C, 13 as D, 14 as E, and 15 as what? Just wait a minute. 15 as what? Why it is coming like this? 15. Went. Okay, I will write it again. Okay. So value of 15, I will write it again here. Value of 15. Value of 15 is what? F. Okay. So I will paste it here. Okay, are you getting it? So this is, so now tell me for 10 what it is, what the value is for 10. Okay, I'll write it like this: 172, which is our decimal value. Okay, decimal value, and we are converting this decimal value into what? Into what? Now tell me what is the value? What is the value? 10. 10 belongs to what? A. So I'll write A. Next is what? 12. 12 is what? C. So what is the value of this? A and C. A and C. Okay. What is the base for this? 10. This is the base for this. And last one is what? 16. Okay. So this is the base for this. Are you getting my point? Easy it is? Easy to understand? Yes, online. Online. Are you able to understand? Okay, fine, great. Next, I will go for this. Okay, you have to remember this. Okay, you have to remember this thing. Next is similarly, I will go for what value it is. Now tell me AC. Okay, AC. A. So I will go for A and C it is. Okay, A and C value. And I'm gonna convert this A C value into what? Decimal. Decimal is what? I'll write X. Okay, so we have to find X here. Okay, find X here. Now, simple. What I have to do? Tell me A. Value of A. Here A and C. A and what? C we have. Okay, A and C we have. Now, simple it is. Simple what we have seen till now. A. Now, tell me what is the base? What is the base? 16. 16 multiply with what? A is what? A is 10. Next plus 16 multiply with what? C. C is what? 12. Okay, so multiply with multiply it with 12. Now let's come to base. Let's come to base. Tell me the base. Base for 16. Tell me. Yeah, sorry, power. It is 1. Next is what? It is 0. Okay. Now calculate this. Here this is. Next is equals to 16 multiply with 1. 16 power of 1 multiply with 10. What it is? 160. Right? Plus 16 multiply with 16 power of 0. What it is? 1. 1 multiply with 12. 12. So I'll write 12. Okay. So 160 plus 12. What it is? 172. Same answer it is coming. Same answer. Right? So this is how we can go for conversion of hexadecimal into what? Decimal. Okay. Hexadecimal into decimal. This is and this is. Are you getting it? Yes or no, everyone? Fine. So let me save this. What it is? Decimal hexa conversion. Okay. Yes, online. Do you have any question? Do you have any question? Hmm. Fine. So this is what the conversion of decimal into hexadecimal and hexadecimal into what? Decimal. Now let's go to Python command prompt, and there we will see. Let's go for Python command prompt. Python, go for it. Okay. First of all, I will import OS. Okay. CLS is equals to lambda colon system dot sorry OS dot system of CLS. So CLS of, okay. Now you see, one by one we are going to see. Okay. So we have also seen what hexadecimal. So for hexadecimal also, fourth one it is. Go for it. What it is? Hexadecimal value, decimal number system. In, I will go for this decimal. Okay. Sorry, decimal. So hexadecimal, just copy this. This number system consists of 0 to 8, 9. Then A, B, sorry, B, C, D, E, and last one is F. Means for A is for what? 10. B 15. Okay, up to 15. So can I write A, B, C, D? Should I write A, B, C? A is equals to 10, B is equals to. Okay, will you able to understand this? Okay, fine. The base of hexadecimal number system is what? 16. Okay, and it is including these numbers. Okay, fine. This is 16. Everything is same. Okay. Now I'm going to show you how it works when it comes to programming. Okay, so this is fourth one. Now let's go to Python. Now let's suppose I have, okay, programmatically the symbol for hexadecimal, for symbol I'll write. Okay, only symbol. So only symbol I'll show you here. Whenever variable name, or I will write syntax for this. Okay, syntax I will write. Syntax is variable name is equals to 0, sorry, 0 x, 0x, and here I will write value. Okay, value. Got it? What value? Decimal value. Okay, decimal value. For this also, I will write the same, copy it. For this, paste it. Syntax is variable name is equals to 0 O, 0 O. Okay, or we can also call it as or variable name is equals to 0 capital O, capital O. Okay, and the value, I'll tell you what value. Okay, and value. Getting my point? So I'll write, actually I should write xx. Okay, xx I'm writing because the value it is. So instead of value I will be writing xx. Okay, here also I can go for xx, not for this. It should be value because already x is there. Okay, so I'll go for value. Or what we can say, similarly same thing, I'll go copy paste it here, paste it here. Okay, and this is capital X. Both is possible, you can use both one. Here for this also, copy this. For binary, same thing. This is syntax. Okay, what it is? B. Bin is a function. Okay, so B it is. Okay, B, and for this also you can go for capital B. Okay, so now syntax says what? Whenever we are writing, whenever we want, let's suppose for this I am writing x, 4x, or any bit we can use, right? B for binary, it could be either small b, capital B. Similarly, for octal, what we have? O, right? Similarly, for hexadecimal, what we have? X. So let's go for program. Let's suppose I have a is equals to 0 O 0b 1010. Okay, 1010. Now you see, if I print of a, what we are getting? 10. So 10 is the value, 10 is the decimal value of what? 1010. And it is preceding with what? It is coming it with what? 0b. We are writing 0b for what? Binary. Okay. Similarly, if I go for a is equals to 0b, or 0 capital B of what we have seen for, let me take the example, binary. Okay, 20, I'll take 20. So 20 is what? 10100. Okay, 10100. Let's go for this 10100. Go for it. Print. What we are getting? 20. Are we getting the same? Right? Similarly, if you want to check this 20, what is the binary value of 20, then what we should use? Bin of 20. Bin of, what we are doing? We are converting this 20 into binary number. What it is? 10100. Same it is 0b 0b 10100. Are we getting the same? Yes or no? Okay, online, everyone is there? Okay, fine. This is what we were talking about, this binary it is. Okay, this is what binary. So I'll go with this, and I'll show you some pre-built function, inbuilt function of number conversion, this base conversion. Okay, so this is comes under binary. Okay, so let me go for examples. These are the examples. Okay, getting my point? Still we haven't started our programming, so don't worry. I'm just showing you the examples. Okay, don't think that we have started our programming. This is just an example. Okay, what we have done here in pictorial representation, what we have done here, I'm gonna show you with examples. Okay, next is what? Octal, right? So let's suppose a is equals to 0 o 0 o. What we have taken? 2 3, right? 2 3. Let's go for it. Print it. Print a. What we are getting? What we are getting? 19. Okay, let's go for not this, not this, 0 a. Let's go for 2 7, 2 7. Okay, now go for it. Print a. What we are getting? What we are getting? What value? 23 is what? Now let's go for OCT, oct of 2 3. Oct of 2 3. What we are getting? Are you getting my point? Are you getting my point? Right? Similarly, we can go for lots of things. Sorry, just give me a moment. Let on early. So this is the example for this. Okay, and this is inbuilt function. This is what? Oct of any number. Okay, oct of any number. Let's suppose oct of 27. Now go for it. What it is giving? 33. Okay, so any number if you give, it will give the return value. It will give the octal value of that particular thing. Okay, so I will take this as our example here. Octal. Okay, paste it. Fine. Okay, got it. Next is hexadecimal. Hexadecimal. Just one thing. Uh, where is the octal? Did I make any mistake here? Did I make any mistake here? Python octal to decimal. 23, conversion of 23, which is an octal number, right? And it is coming 27. Okay, fine, fine. So if you are taking 23 as, fine, 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 fine. 23 here, 23 is what? Octal number, right? And conversion of octal, we are getting 19, right? Conversion of 27 octal number, we are getting what? 23 as decimal number system, right? So if I convert this 23 in octal, we are getting 27. In octal we are getting 27. Okay, fine. Yes. So what mistake I have done here is conversion of octal of 27, sorry, 23. Okay, conversion of 23 into octal, we are getting what? 27. But how, what we are doing here? 23 is what? Octal. Here we have to keep 27. Okay, 27 of octal, it will become what? See, what we are giving? 23, right? 23. 23 is an decimal value here. Okay, we are trying to convert this decimal value into octal, so 27 we are getting. Okay, fine. So these are few things. Next is hexadecimal. Okay, hexadecimal we will see. Hexadecimal is what? Let's suppose I am writing 0 0 x 0 x. I am taking something like ACC. ACC. What is the value of A? What is the value of A? 10. Next, C 12, again C 12. Go for it. Print A. What we are getting? 2764. This you have to do like this only. Where is decimal octal? Here. This you have to do like this. Okay, ACC. We have written, let's suppose we have written ACC. What is the value of A here? What is the value of A here? What is the value of C here? So value of A is what? Okay, this is not 10. See, I have made a mistake. This is not 10. It should be 10. Okay, okay, okay. Sorry. Okay, fine. So value of A is what? 10. Okay, value of C is what? 12. Right? Value of A is what? 10. Value of I thought I have given some space in between this, so it became 1 and 0. Okay, fine. So 16 and power multiply with 10, 16 multiply with 12. One more I will add if I am going to get ACC value, ACC decimal value. What should I write? 16 multiply with 12 and 16 power of 0 multiply with 12 plus 16 power of 1 multiply with 12 plus 16 power of 2 multiply with 10. Then we will get what value here? If you see what we are getting, 2764. Are you getting it? So we have some pre-built function as well. So I'll write it here. uh, base conversion, okay, base conversion, inbuilt or predefined function. All right, predefined function. What are they? Okay, first is what? First number is bin. Okay, first number is what? Bin of. This is one of the predefined function. Second one is octof. Octof. Okay, third one is what? Hex of. Okay, let me show you hex also. So what we are, same example I'm taking. Hex of paste it. What we are getting? 0 ACC. Are we getting the same? Right? So this is how you can cross check it. Okay, so this is hex of this. Fine. Next, what it does, what bin function is, let's go for it. So this function, I'll write it as this function is used to convert any possible number system, any possible, or I would write convert possible number system into binary number system. Okay, are you getting it? Yes or no? So copy this. Same for this also. Go for it, paste it. Okay, now tell me, this function is used to convert possible number system into what? Octal number system. Okay, octal. So function name is what? OCT. Okay, octal. Next is hexadecimal. Similarly, I'll go for this also. Hmm. This function is used to convert possible number system into hexadecimal number system. Decimal number system. Are you getting it? Okay. Simple it is. So this is how we can use the inbuilt functions. These are inbuilt functions: bin, oct, and hex. Okay, and this is how we can convert the numbers. Getting it? Simple it is. Okay. Any doubt? Fine. Next, online students, do you have any doubt? Fine. Shall we go ahead? Okay. So these are some inbuilt function what we have in Python for conversion, number conversion. Okay, that's why it is what it is known as. It is known as what? Base conversion. Base conversion. What base conversion? We are changing the base of one base into another base, right? Example, changing decimal into binary. Changing what? Decimal into binary. Means binary is having what? Base 2. Decimal is having base 10. Changing of 10 into what? 2. Right? That's why the name is what? Base conversion. What it is? Base conversion. And to convert, we have few predefined functions as well as some syntax as well. Syntax is what? 0x means hexa, 0o means octal, 0b means binary. Getting my point? Simple it is. Okay, fine. So I'll save it. Next, go to this. How many? What are the categories? Six categories. What are they? Fundamental, sequential, list, set, hmm, dict, none. Okay, what are they? One more time. Fundamental, sequential, list, set, dictionary, none. Okay, getting my point? Online students, online everyone. Okay, fine. So we have seen fundamental one data type, which is integer data type. In this integer data type, we have we have base conversion. Okay, we have base conversion. So I'll go for folder. Here I will write base conversion. Okay, inside this I'm gonna paste this. Fine. Here integer data. Integer data says what? Tell me the definition of integer data. Predefined. It is one of the predefined class. Comes under what? Treated as fundamental category data. Okay. The purpose of integer is what? The purpose of integer is to store integral type of data or whole number or natural number. Okay. Inside where? Inside the main memory. Okay. You guys are not reading notes properly, right? Prasanna. Int used to store the values in the form of integral or whole number. Fine. Good. Okay. Next, to write integer, do we need any kind of int of a is equals to 10? Int of a is equals to 10. Do we need to write it like this? Or directly I can go with this? Yes? If I print a, what it is printing? Type of a. Type of a. Why it is predefined class? See what it is saying? Int class. So every object, every variable is what? Object, right? Every variable is object. Behind that object, class is there, right? What class here? Class integer. Getting my point? So this is one thing. So tomorrow we are going to start the topic. Tomorrow we are going to start the topic called float. Okay, float data, which is second one. Second data type. Float data type. Okay, float data type. What is float data type? Point numbers, decimal values, right? Decimal values. And this is also what? Every data type in Python is what? Predefined class. Every data type in Python is what? Predefined class. So float is what? Class. Simple. Getting it? Yes. Fine. So tomorrow we'll be seeing float data type. Okay, again guys, I'm telling you, those who haven't enrolled yourself, please go enroll yourself. Okay, only you have the time for tomorrow. Okay. Okay, you guys have already enrolled, right? You, okay. When you're going to enroll? Today you are going to enroll. Fine. So online students also, please enroll yourself. Okay, fine. So shall we stop it here? Please follow recordings as well. Okay, if you are not getting anything, if you have any doubt, you follow recordings, or you can contact to me as well. Okay, thank you so much guys for attending the class. I'm expecting you guys to attend tomorrow as well. Okay, also enroll yourself as soon as possible. Today you try to enroll, because anyway anyhow you have to enroll tomorrow as well. Okay, so you go enroll yourself today. Okay, can we stop it here? Shall we stop it? Thank you so much guys. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Take care.